Hi, Loadall. This is how we load our motorcycles in our 2016 GMC short bed pickup truck when we're headed to the Grand Prairie Police Department motorcycle challenge. That's all there is to it.
And coming down. You're in control 100% of the time. Even when it's wet, you stop when you want to stop. I'm only using the front brake right now. If I wanted to, I could use the clutch and the front brake on heavier bikes. And again, 100% control at all times while you're backing down. Stop when you want to stop. That's what it's all about.
Another feature of our Loadall V3 is our optional table legs. With the installation of these table legs, it allows you to convert your ramp into a work surface. For people who work out of their truck and need this extra deck space for cutting lumber or whatever it is that you need your space for, you now have a table out here that you can use, and all this surface as a work surface. These are open-ended hinges. This ramp extension will slide right off your hinge. You set it aside, and you've got all your surface here to work off from with our optional table legs.